intentional. New animation test.html. I've already got a page named that. Yeah, I just changed my mind. I'll call this ffAnimation.html. Open up with Sublime. Look at that. Blank slate. Everybody loves that first few lines, right? The true blank slate here. Alright, well, it's a web page. Yeah, I know, I'm streaming. This is my FFBE animation testing. That's all it is, really. Alright, so one thing that... Oh, hold on. You're going to need a canvas. I think it's just canvas, right? Canvas, ID, main canvas. Alright. So one thing I had made since the last time I streamed last night is I made my animation class into its own file. So now it's its own file for all the animations. I also made vector its own file. So we're going to go ahead and at the very least include the animation class. Animation.js. There we go. Now my animations for... Well, let's make them. I haven't made them yet. I've only made one animation, and I'll show you what I got. Let me open up my animation creator. Open. Bam. No. This one. So I don't know if you can see her here. It's Tara doing an attack. Terror attack.ping. That's exactly what it's called. So pretty much today I'm going to be doing a lot of this. I wonder if I can zoom in on this. I feel like I'm kind of screwing you guys over, you know? Let's see if I can do that. Hold on. We'll make a new window. Add a... I guess it would be a window capture, right? Window temp. I'm going to delete him when this is over. I want you to grab this guy. There you go. Okay. Put it right there. Holy shit. I can definitely see it now. There. So you can see my mouse. Alright, yeah, so that's Tara. So I'm going to make a few of these today. And to do that, first I need to pick out which ones I want to make. So where's Tara? There you are. Tara. We'll head into her pictures. I'm going to pick another one. We'll do her idle animation. I need that. So we're going to copy that. Paste it right here. We're going to call it Tara idle.ping. Put it right there. Now let's do it. File, new, load, Tara idle. Alright, let's see. 1, 2, 3. 3 by 3, that's nice dimensions. What are the size of the picture though? 153 by 210. Alright, so let's make one. It's only one. Idle. New frame. calculator. What is 153 divided by 3? 51. So new frame, it's 51 tall, and 210 divided by 3, 70. There we go. 70, save. So there's the first frame of Terra being idle. Next frame, move it over 51. It should have done something. Are they identical? They look identical. Oh, anyways, let's keep going. So, next frame, 102. There we go, getting some movement. Alright. Next frame, go down to the next row. Save. Alright, she's starting to animate. That's good. Next frame, 51. Starting to animate more. Next frame, 102. Alright, let's do next frame. We're going down a row, so 140. 0. Save. There we go. And finally, 51. Oh, wait. Crap. Yeah. There we go. 51. Save. And that should be her idle animation. It looks good. Kind of wish I could speed. I guess maybe I need to speed it up a little. We're going to speed it up just a little bit. See if that makes it look more idly, or if I just made it look worse. We'll find out. So I'm speeding it up from 0.25 of a second to 0.2 of a second. So the animation, when I'm done, should go a little bit faster. There we go. I think that's better. That looks more idle to me, don't you? Think so? I know you guys probably can't see very well. Alright, so Terra idle, file, save as. First we'll save a binary as a backup. And the reason I save them as a backup is because right now my program can read in binary files with the open, but it can't read in JSON files with the open, so I gotta update that. Alright, so save the JSON as Terra idle.js right to the desktop. I'm filling up my desktop today, but I'll fix it at the end of today. We're gonna combine all of Terra's animations into one single file when I'm done, but for now, I'm just going to put out all the Terra files. So now I've got her being idle, and I've got her doing an attack. Now I want to do her limit breaker. So, let's see. Trying to find a good picture now. I think this is probably a really good one right here. And holy fuck, there are a bunch. 1, 2, 3... by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 frickin' rows. That's insane. This is gonna be a long animation. File, new. Copy this image. Paste it out here. Rename it. Terra limit. Put that bitch right here. Focus on the program. Can you guys hear me over that music, by the way? Because to me it's very, very loud. Terra limit. New frame. Call it limit. Save. Get the dimensions. Dimensions are, holy shit, I'm gonna write this down. The dimensions are 930 by 2190. Good fucking god. Alright, so new frame. 930 divided by 3 is 310. 2190 divided by 3 is 730. Save. There's the first frame. That's too tall. That's not right. My math is... Alright, see? That's why you don't fucking do math. Like, oh, it's 15. That's part of the problem. 2190 divided by 15 is 146. That makes a lot more sense. There we go. Sorry about that. Alright, so this is where the animation is going to be. New frame. Move over by 310. Alright, so she's starting to do a cast or something. New frame. 620. Alright, new frame. We go down a row. 146. Back to 0. I'm gonna have to make a program to do this shit. I can see that now. This is a lot of fucking numbers. Alright, new frame. 310. New frame. 620. Okay. Alright, new frame. 292. Back to 0. New frame, 310. It's working. New frame, 620. Let's look at the speed though. I need to start getting the speed right now though, because if it's too slow now, I'm gonna end up having to change 45 cells worth of frames. I don't want to do that. I'd rather get the speed right now. So to me, it looks like it's going a little too slow, maybe. So once again, I'm going to speed it up. So let's do that. Save. Oh god, I just slowed that one down. Alright, so now I've just sped it up by a little bit. Let's see if that mattered. I don't know, what do you guys think? I still think it's too slow. Maybe I'm just used to things going really fast, huh? We'll try to speed it up one more time. Hopefully it will make a difference here. Can only make it so fast. Okay, that actually looks pretty good to me. I think we found our speed, 0.15 of a second. Alright, so we're gonna keep going here. Alright, so make a new frame. This one will be at 438, 0. Save. Yeah. Alright, new. 310. Save. New. 620. Save. New. 584. 0. Save. Awesome. New. 310. Save. New. 620. Save. Alright. New. 730. Save. New. 620. Save. It's coming to life. Alright, let's keep going. new, 876, 0, save, new, 310, save, new, 620, save, new, 1022, 0, save, new, 310, save, new. Holy shit, 620, save. Tara, you better be kick-ass for this. Alright, new, 1168, 0. I definitely got to come up with a better way to make these. I had no idea there would be so many frames in a single animation. But there are a fuck ton. 15 times 3, that's what, 45? 45 potential frames. Alright, so new, 310, save, new, 620, save, new, 1314, new, 310, save, new, 620, save. It's starting to work though. She turns into an Esper and she starts going batshit. That's cool. Alright, so new 1460. Okay. New 310. Save. 620. Save. Uh-oh. You fucked something up. Yes, I did. I didn't hit new. So you gotta be careful. 310. Save. New. 620. Save. Almost fucked that up. New. 1606. 0. Save. New. 310, save, new, 620, save. Okay. Let's see. New, 752, 50, save. New. 310, new, 620. I think we're on our last row here, so I need to see how many the last row had. So 1 second while I get the picture pulled up. So the last row just has one picture. That can't be right. Really? Just one picture? Yeah, I think so. No. I'm wrong. I'm not on the last row yet. Okay. I'll say what the fuck. Alright, so new. 1898. 0. Save. New. 310. Save. New. 620. Save. New. This is probably the last row. Save. I think that was it. That's beautiful. Look at that shit. She turns into an Esper, throws like 8 attacks out, or 3 attacks out, and then she turns back. That's sexy. I still think my animations are too slow though. Alright, save this as a binary. Terra limit. Right to the desktop. And then also save the JSON. Terra limit. Saved. Alright, that's another one down. So I have her idle animation, I have her attack animation, I have her limit breaker animation. There's only one animation I want left, and it's not really an animation. It's her movement. And her movement, she just kind of flies, so she doesn't need to animate. So I've kind of got that done. Let's paste that here. Terra move. Dot ping. There they go. And here's all her JavaScript animations, which we're going to combine now. So we're going to make a new one called Terra.js. Open it up with Sublime, and we're just going to paste in all the contents of the other guys. Paste. 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 Alright, so there they are. Her attack, her idle, and her limit breaker. All in one. Fucking beautiful. Let's see if it works though. Now, in order for it to work, I have to make a function called load animation. So I don't remember how to do it. This is why I kept my old code. Let's see. Open that shit with Sublime. I think I literally just take it, right? Animation. Oh, that's right. I gotta say a new animation. Okay, that's right. Never mind. Yeah. First, you gotta make the animation. So I'm not even gonna save it out here. I'm just gonna say I think that's all I gotta do. Right? Push, yeah. Alright, so after that, it's animating. Or it exists. It's not animating, but it exists. Alright, fuck it. Let's try to draw something, right? So I need to initialize HTML5 here. Alright, so what are things I need to initialize? I need time, so I'm gonna need time. Time variables. Really only need previous time and I need current time. Yeah, you don't matter. Nice. Start the loop. Request animation frame. I think that's how that works. I always forget the name of it. Hey Chris, how's it going, man? I just made a I'll show you. I took the Final Fantasy Brave Exvius sprite sheet and I'm turning them into animations. I just did one for Terra's Limit Breaker. Yeah, well actually, FF6 being my most favorite game in the whole universe, I did everything in my power to get all of the FF6 units. And I did. I got everyone except one. Trance Terra. Could not get her. Despite all my best efforts. I got Gao, I got Setzer, I got Magitech Terra, I got all of them. General Leo, Kefka, I got like 29 Kefkas. But Trance Terra, never got her. I quit the game though once they put Ariana Grande in there. That kind of killed it for me. Alright, so update. What are we doing? During the initialize, I want to play an animation. So, animation system, animations, Sub-Zero, play, idle. That's not how that works, is it? No, it's not. That's a problem. Whichever one got loaded in first is whichever one wins. That's a problem. That is a problem. Alright, we'll have to figure that out. Animations are 3 separate objects. Alright, we'll figure that out when we get there. Update. All you're going to do is you're going to update all animation. Oh, you gotta figure out the time. Figure out the elapsed time first. So, occur time equals performance.now. Occur time minus equals prev time. Occur time divide equals 1,000, I think. And then prev time equals I don't remember. Let's look it up. Why struggle when I don't have to? Occur time is the delta time. That's what I did wrong. Then subtract the previous time, divide by 1,000, and then, okay, delta time. That's what I did wrong. My bad. There we go. Update all animations, so. Bam. Didn't kill it for me because she was an awful unit. Alright, how the fuck am I gonna do this? So now I will have something called chosen animation. That's how I'll do it. And then I know a shitty way to do it. Here's a shitty way to do it. You say at the beginning, the chosen anim is 0. Really. Then we say chosen anim play copy paste. Gotcha, bitch. Checkmate. That should work. Alright, then draw the sprite. I think I just called it draw sprite. Takes the context that I don't have. Takes the... What the hell else did it take? I don't remember. I made it take the context, the animation, the XY. Alright. The animation. And the XY, 100, 100. Now I gotta get the context. think you say get context 2D, right? Is that it? Let me see. Get context 2D. Yep. Sweet. I expect complete disaster from this. No margins, no paddings. Set the size of the canvas to be the size of the whole damn thing. There we go. Got this bitch. Alright, so this should be total disaster. We all know it's going to happen. Let's find out, shall we? Do I still need this open? I don't think so. Close. 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 Open. Yep, nothing there. Why? Prev time is not defined. What are you talking about? I called it prev time. Line 7. Duh. That's why I put it there. I guess I'm supposed to do something with it. Alright, hold on. It's saying this line is fucked up. There you go. Now it's not. Congrats, I outsmarted you. Alright, now what? Now it's saying I cannot read the property of play of undefined. In other words, you got to play before everything else was ready, didn't I? Show me animation system. You know, that's what the console's for. I should probably use it. Yeah, there's nothing loaded. So yeah, we ran into a problem there. What the fuck? Terra.js is empty? I don't think so. You're a fucking liar. Bullshit. Are you not saved? Hello? What the fuck? Telling me my shit's empty, like, no? I had stuff. Okay. Animation system dot update is not a function. Wanna bet? Animation system dot update animations. Okay, fuck, you got me. Man, you got me again. That was a good one. Update. I should probably just rename it to update. Yeah, we're gonna do that. Animation system. We're called update, not update animations. There you go. Now what? Yeah. Some progress, right? She's not really animating though, is she? I guess I could zoom in for you guys. Alright, let's get that to actually animate here, huh? Alright, take me to... Oh, I know what it is. It's because I'm a dumbass, isn't it? I bet it is. Update. I update it once, and then I never keep the loop going. Keep the loop going, dumbass. Quest, animation, frame. Keep going. God, don't just stop at 1 frame. Who does that? Imagine a video game 1 frame long. Alright, ready, set, go. Oh, fuck. I should probably, even though that actually looks really badass, I should probably clear the screen between every draw. Okay, clear the screen, for God's sake. I do believe it's context.clearRect from 00 to what? The documents or the Windows inner width? No, I have the canvas. Get the canvas. Okay, I won't fall for this. You got me there. Semicolons help. Not required in JavaScript though, believe it or not. Alright, ready, set, try that shit again. Holy fuck, that is way too fast. Why the fuck is it that fucking fast? I'm starting to think I didn't update very correctly here. Oh, I passed it the wrong thing, didn't I? Once again. Where's update? Update? No, not the delta time. The current time. Oh my god. I knew it. I knew I was passing it the wrong thing. She's just like, she's on fucking cocaine right there. Alright, ready, set, reload. Yeah. That's what I expected. Hey, Asia, how's it going? Got it. Now let's check out the other animations, make sure they look okay. It feels a little slow to me though. I still might speed this thing up. It's going good, I just got it going. I mean, I just started and I'm already getting some animations here. Animation class is working out great. Alright, so I want a button that on press changes my animations. So we're gonna steal my old code. I need to make my key press functions also a class of their own. Copy. Down. Looks good. I don't know if I need the console log, but that's okay. I need to subscribe to events though, don't I? Right at the end. Yep. Oh yeah. Do that in my initialize. So now we'll have it when I press P, it'll switch. Well, I'll just make I, O, and P be my animation switchers here. So let's see. If key down, keys down keys. Thank you. My memory's too shitty. If down keys, whatever it is for I, which I'll have to figure out in a second. In fact, let's do that now. Save. No, I would not like to purchase the software that I use all the time. Actually, I really would. I might want to buy Sublime. They're really nice to me. Alright, ready? I is 73. O is 79. P is 80. 73, 79, 80. 73, 79, 80. Alright, so if number 73 is down, why am I doing that? I'll just have 2 buttons. Never mind. 79 and 80. If 79 is there, then current animation, chosen anim, whatever, will go down 1. If chosen anim is less than 0, then wrap that bitch around to number 2. Now, if down keys sub 80, should probably try to do a modulus trick for that. Chosen anim equals chosen anim plus 1 modulus 3. There you go. Just figured it out. Modulus 3. Get that right. But before I do either of these, I want to stop whatever it's currently playing. So let's see. Animation system dot animations sub chosen anim dot stop. So that should stop whatever it's currently playing. And then after that, we will tell it to play the new one. To do that though, I gotta steal this line again. There you go. This is making me want to play Earthbound. Alright, so now I should be able to switch animations at will here. Let's see. Ready, set, go. Did she move? Oh, wow. Okay, that's a problem I didn't think about. I mean, it works, but the problem is the animations are so vastly different in size that when I switch, it definitely moves them around. There's idle. She's definitely idling. There's regular attack. Come on, man. Come on, don't do that. Thank you. And there's super attack. It's definitely too slow for me, though. I might have to speed them all up. You talking about the music? Let's see. The last couple musics have been either Chrono Trigger or Earthbound. Alright, so one thing I noticed, we are changing this from key down to fucking key press, because I think I call it press keys. Annoy me, will you? Ready? Bam. Are you kidding me? I just changed you. Didn't I? Press keys. I don't know how you got away with that. You know why? Because every frame I'm supposed to be clearing that, and I'm not. Once again, god damn it! You are getting me really good. You're a jerk. Okay. I'm falling for silly stuff, but that's okay. I'll have to fix that. Doesn't matter. I got that thing working, so let's move on to the next thing I wanted to do, which is to make the next animation. So we're gonna save this. We're just gonna open up the next person. Let's go for Edgar, because I really like Edgar. Edgar of Figaro Castle. We're gonna take his limit breaker, right? Because why? Oh, actually, once you see how many frames, it's like, yeah, maybe we'll do the limit breaker last. That's a lot of fucking frames. Let's take, we'll do his regular attack. Jeez, even his regular attack is fucking insane. That's his regular attack, but okay, we'll do it. Copy that shit. Put it on the desktop. Please. Thank you. Rename that bitch Edgar Attack. Gotta stay in your lane. Animation creator. Let's put it in focus for you guys. I like that. I got an Earthbound background at the moment while the Earthbound music is playing. Edgar attack. Open. Alright. Edgar attack.ping. New frame. Called attack. Save. Find out how big this thing is. .687. I need notepad. 687 by 1017. How many columns and rows? We got 3 columns, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 rows. I think I hear a cat behind me. Yep, I do. Let me hear you. Alright. I love this cat. But seriously, I got a code, buddy. Can't do this all day. Alright, let's get back to coding. Sorry about that. You know how cats are. Alright, so new frame. It is 687 divided by 3. That's how wide it is. Which is 229. 229 wide. And it is 1017 divided by 9. 113 tall. There we go. There's frame number 1. Let's continue on. New 229. Save. And we're gonna make this animation a lot faster. So I feel like I'm always going too slow, you know? Alright. So don't freak out here. So now one more. .458. Save. Alright. New 113 0. Save. New 229. Save. New 458. Save. Hell yeah! It's starting to look like an attack. So beautiful. I love this shit. I really do. Alright, so 113 plus 113 is 226. So new 226 0. New 229. Save. New 458. Save. New 339 0. Save. New 452 0. Nothing makes you hold on. Nothing makes you find what problems your program has than forcing yourself to use it over and over like I'm doing right now. So I'm definitely noticing that it is a very tedious process to manually draw out these fucking frames like this. But we're getting there. I'm probably gonna make some sort of button on this where I will enter all the info I need, like the number of columns, the number of rows, the row width, and the row height, and I'll just hit a button, like generate, and it'll generate the entire animation for me, because this is exhausting. Actually having to do this shit myself. This is wrong. Yeah, this is wrong. I think I got the speed right this time, though. That definitely looks good. Yeah, we'll keep going. $565. Yeah, nothing makes you find your flaws faster than having to do this shit. It's like, oh fuck, I kind of fucked up here, didn't I? But I also never expected that animations had so many frames. Like, I thought it was, you know, most SNES animations obviously are only like 2 or 3 long, but this one, man, this is not an SNES game, this is a mobile game, so the sprites are so high detail that there's a trillion fucking frames here. It's beautiful. Alright, new. We're almost there though. Slowly getting through it. Ah, that's beautiful. I did like Edgar. Edgar's definitely one of my favorites in that game. He was just powerful. I think this is the last one here. The last row. So I need to look at how many there was on the last row. Alright, Edgar. Last row was just 1? Really? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, it's definitely the last one. And that's it. That's the animation. Can't tell when it begins though, so I might slow down the first frame. We're gonna slow down the first frame so that he pauses for a brief moment, and the last frame so that he pauses for a brief moment. That doesn't look right. Maybe not that last one. So he does 1, 2, and then 3, and then he jumps back. Okay. That does make sense. Cool. We're slowing it down a little. There. I guess that's gonna have to be good enough. I'm gonna be staring at shit for a while. Three jumps back. I guess that's good. And if I got a problem with it, I can always come back and fix it. File, save as. Edgar attack. Save. File, save as JSON. Edgar attack. Save. That was actually a lot harder than I thought. Maybe I should work on my animation program, huh? Make a cheap generation thing. Let's do that. Let's do that. Let's save myself some time. This is Lena, right? Final Fantasy V, Lena's theme. Let's skip ahead. No offense, Lena. Just not really feeling that right now. I gotta find my animation creator code. Projects, animation creator. I haven't touched this thing in a long time. Let's make it a little taller for me. This box, frames. Alright, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna add 2 little buttons here. Did I call you? Might as well pin that shit. Label with. Okay. Not helpful. We will call you label. Num calls. We will say columns. Now this makes me want to play FF6. Numeric up, down. Let's be reasonable. Minimum number is 1. Maximum number is 100. If you have a sprite sheet with more than 100 columns, you're gonna have to do it by hand, buddy, because, I mean, why are you doing that many? Why is your sprite sheet so big? Alright, gotta give it a name. Nud columns. Label, num rows, text, rows. Give me a numeric up down, please. You're not gonna let me shrink it, are you? There we go. Alright, minimum number of rows, you have to have at least 1 row. And if you have more than 100 rows, once again, you have to do this shit by hand. Why are your sprite sheets so large? What the fuck is wrong with you? Give me a button. Wait, you gotta name it. You didn't name it. That would've sucked. Nud rows. Give me a button called generate. See, now we're in the FF6 mood here. Button, auto generate, man. There we go. Now auto-generate. Automatically generates a bunch of frames based on the NUD inputs. Okay, so all I need to do is what? Make an integer called startx and assign it the value of nud nudx, yeah, exactly. Not value. I think it was property, right? Yeah, so. And now, for every column, for every row, let's do that. For int I equals 0, I is less than nud. For jj equals 0, jj. Actually, I don't like those names because I'm going to be using them in math, so we're going to change them. Cur call. Please. Thank you. Because when we're using them in math, their names need to make more sense. It's not like an old math textbook. I'd rather see cur row, cur call. As long as cur row is less than. I think I got that backwards. Yes, I did get it backwards. I want the row on the outside. Alright, so for every row, for every column, create a frame, figure out its stats. Alright, so let's find out how I create frames first of all. Frame, new frame. I initialize it. And then I just steal shit. Up, and then I add it. Alright, let's just copy all of that, and then we'll cut out what I don't need. So scroll way down. Create a frame. Figure out his stats. That's the fun part. This part I don't quite need anymore. Probably gonna delete this. Alright, so the new frame, his x is equal to nud's x. Nud x is his thing, right? The new frame's y is equal to the... No, that's not true. This is wrong. This is wrong. That is absolutely wrong. Thank you for trying to fuck yourself. It's equal to these... X equals start x. Current x. Bam. Now the y is going to be a little different. We're going to have to do some math here as well. So let's see. I have everything I need, I think. We will take the nud's y value plus the current row times the height of the image, and that should give us the amount that we need to move here. So that's set the x and the y. The width and the height, thank God, are the easiest ones. You just say width equals nud width and new frame height equals nud height. So that should set the x, the y, the width, the height. All that's left is the time, which is also easy. New frame.time equals nud time. Bam. That should... Oh no, we're not done yet. So now that we finish that, we have to continue to move over. So cur x plus equals the width of the image. Nud width dot value. So that should move him over. Now, the row height will be calculated every time, so it should be fine. I think we got it. I think that's it. So let's find out. Build 2 errors. What are my errors? Cannot implicitly convert a decimal to an int. Oh, you mean you can't do that? That's what you can't do? I'm sorry. I'm sorry you're retarded. I understand. It must be very difficult living with mental retardation. That's one thing. Yeah, whatever. Sorry, it just irks me. Alright, so here's the new program with the changes. Let's give it a shot. We're going to try to do the exact same thing with Terra's attack, her limit breaker. But this time we're going to try to use my auto-generated feature here. Terra limit.ping new called limit save. Now, I should only have to figure out the width, the height, the column, shit like that. So let's figure that out real quick. Terra limit breaker. Open with. Well, just open it first. Let me see what we got. We have 3 columns and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 rows. So 15 rows, 3 columns. Now let's figure out how width and height is here, and we should be good to go. So let's see, open with. No. Just show me the properties of it. Details. Notepad, we get to do some math. 930 by 2190. 930 divided by 3 is 310. 2190 divided by 15 is 146. So there's my numbers. So the width of a cell is 310. The height of the cell is 146. We start at 0, 0, and I want the time to be a little faster, so 0.1. Ready, set, auto generate. Look at that shit. It just did all my work. Zoom. That isn't zoomed in. I just made a button to save me so much work. You might nap. Be right back ish in 10 minutes or so. Alright, see you later, Asia. Have a good nap. It fucking works. Alright, so I like this a lot better. File save as. Save over the old Terra. No, not the attack, the limit breaker. Beautiful. Save as JSON. Terra limit. Close. I don't believe you're updated. Terra limit. Paste. What the fuck? No? Limit breaker? What happened? Okay, I clearly broke something, didn't I? Like, what just happened? No frames. It doesn't see the frames I added. Why not? I added them. And that scared the crap out of me. Like, what the fuck? It's because I didn't hit save, right? Wow. Rebuild this fucking frame list because C# is being a dick. Nothing is binding. Nothing is working. It's 3 AM and I fucking hate fighting with it, and my patience is at absolute motherfucking 0. You don't want to bind? Fine. Fuck binding. Let's do this the old-fashioned 1967 way. Manual fucking Lee. Fuck you. I had a good night, didn't I? Alright, so yeah, I have a problem then. We will have to fix that. We'll fix that now. Jeez. I had a bad day. We're gonna need that. Is that accurate? Hold on. Something's going on here. What are you doing? I'll take it. I don't have any exceptions in this, just realized that. No idea if that's gonna work, but we will find out. So if I open Terra Limit, you've got nothing. Alright, empty, yeah. You know what, why not? I don't think you're gonna work. Yeah, I don't think so. Man, I am freaking spamming my desktop with shit today. Alright, so that didn't work out the way I'd hoped. 3 columns, 15 rows. Tell me I left that file open. I did. Thank you. 310 by 146. I wanted the timer to be 0.10. Auto generate. Selected, that's good. Save. File, save, binary. File, save as JSON. Alright, tell me you did something this time. Cause you scared the shit out of me when I open up in Sublime and I see fucking nothing. Oh, yeah, well, you got the name wrong. That's okay, I'll fix that. Alright, you got it that time. Good. Bam. File save. So now, open up. What am I looking for? Well, for you, but also that's so beautiful. Alright. Alright, let's keep going here. I've already have no regrets about what I've done here. These are the backups. I need to put backups in their own group as well. Backup, backup, backup. Edgar, we're gonna do you over just because I wanna. No, actually, Edgar was pretty fine. I'm gonna leave him alone. Edgar attack. Bam. But now that this program is working better, let's go get the new release out of that folder because I built it. Release. Copy. Paste right over the old one. Yep. Got myself a new animation creator. Yet again. So let's see, we have three columns. No, I already did the attack. I'm doing the next one. Let's do Edgar's limit breaker now. Shouldn't be too bad now that I have this generator. So let's see, Edgar, where are you at? So if you look at his limit attack, we have a fuck ton of rows. But we only have 3 columns. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 rows. So 3 columns and 15 rows. Let's write that down. 3 calls, 15 rows. Now let's write down the image width. That thing is insane, but it's going to be beautiful when it works. We're going to rename it to Edgar Limit. We're going to load it into our program here. Rename the file to edgarlimit.ping. Make a new attack called limit. Save. Now, 3 columns, 15 rows. And now let's find out how big they are. So, 762 by 1950. Let's divide 762 by 3. We get 254. Let's divide 1950 by 15. We get 130. So let's take these numbers and put them to work. How wide is he? He's 254. How tall is he? He's 130. I should be able to auto-generate now. So let's go. Ready, set, bam. Look at that shit. It's an animation, yo. Alright, save that shit. Oh, it's beautiful. So he jumps in, hits him with the drill, does his chainsaw, and then jumps back and auto crossbows. That's fucking beautiful. Alright, file, save as a binary, Edgar Limit dot, you know what, it's already got the thing right. Save, file, save as JSON, Edgar Limit, save, close this, close the calculators, close that, close this, close everything. Now, when I open up Edgar Limit, I better see data. So let's see. Open up. I do see data. It looks like it worked. So let's just close it for now. And let's move right on to his idle animation. This is working out beautifully. Alright, so his idle animation is... where? I don't really see his idle. Oh, here it is. Standby. I guess that's it. No, that's not it. Don't you have something called idle? Am I blind? Move, magic, magic attack, limit, jump, idle. Okay, yeah, I'm just blind. I'm sorry. Copy. Have you made any animations with different size frames? No, I can. My program can do that, but I prefer to use sprite sheets with the same size for each frame. But it doesn't have to be with my program. My program lets you specify the size for each and every frame. Alright, so let's see. Edgar idle.ping. So I'm about to pull up the program. So here's my program. Shit, sorry. And over here, I know you can't see it very well. You specify the X of the frame, the Y of the frame, the width of the frame, and the height of the frame. So if your frames are different sized, you can set them manually. But yeah, obviously I would recommend that you would use a sprite sheet where every frame was the same size. That just makes it mathematically easier for your program. Edgar idle.ping. New. Idle. Save. Alright, so he's only got 3 columns and 2 rows. Let's figure out his width and height real quick. What are you laughing at, Kiefka? 222 by 146. That can't be right. Okay. Calculator. 222 divided by 3, 74. 146 divided by 2, 73. It's almost a square. That's bizarre. Am I doing my numbers right there? Alright, so 74 by 73. Why is he disappearing? Something's wrong. Oh, yeah. You know what? I never thought of that. That was my fault. There you go. I'm thinking of ripping a game that's stuck in XP into a web browser game. It has a mass of bitmaps and not a single sprite matches in size. I haven't figured out how to cleanly put it in the sprite show. Oh, God. I do not envy you, good sir. Yeah, I mean, that's terrible. You would have to, I mean, unless you're willing to go through and figure out the XY width heights of all these frames, which I imagine would take a long fucking time. I cannot think of a way that you could do it. Other than to remake the sprite yourself. That's very depressing to hear. I don't know how people make stuff like that still. It's like, why would they make it like that, you know? By 73. Maybe that's a little too much. Okay, needs to be a little bigger. Save. That's better. That looks more flowy. File save as. Binary first as a backup. Edgar idle. Save. Then we'll save the JSON as Edgar idle. Save. Close. 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 Chrono Trigger, it's nothing personal, but I can't do that today. I can't do Chrono Trigger today, guys. It's too loud, I guess. I'm sorry, you're just too dang loud. Alright, Edgar idle backup. Edgar limit backup. Alright, what's missing? We are missing a final file, which I'm going to make right now. New. Edgar.js. Put that bitch right there. Oh, we forgot his movement file as well. Edgar move. There you go. Copy. Oh god. Alright, so now open this guy up. And that guy, and that guy, and that guy. Idle, paste, attack, paste, and limit breaker, paste. File save. Close, close, close. Change this over to include not Terra, but rather Edgar. Save. There he is, ladies and gentlemen. Man, that's sexy. Alright, and then there's... Which one am I missing? Regular attack. There we go. I'm so in love with this. Am I using standard ping or did you compress it with a little loss? That's standard ping. I took all these images straight from the Spriters resource website. Let me get their name. It's FF6 Spriters resource, I think is what they're called. Yeah, these guys. So I'll paste this link. Now obviously the link I just pasted was directly to Final Fantasy VI for the S. Yeah, okay, there, yeah. That's where I got them from. So, I did not make those myself. God, that's beautiful. Terra, Edgar, I want Celeste, and I want Sabin. Once I get those, I'm good to move on to the next phase, which is making a class that just has the person. The one thing I've noticed big time is we're going to need offsets for these people, because when I switch frames, their position drastically changes, and that's a problem. So I'm going to have to make offsets for each of these animations. But that's okay. Alright, so that was Edgar. I got Terra. So my dream team, I don't know about you guys, but my dream team is Edgar and Sabin, Terra and Celeste. They're just overpowered. So those are the ones I'm going to make today. But if you notice, I downloaded all of the ones that I could. I got General Leo, Locke, Kefka, Terra, Edgar, Shadow, Celeste, Sabin, and Trance Terra as well. So, alright, so let's make Sabin now, if I can find him. There you are. Let's just go ahead and grab the images first. Limit breaker, paste, rename it. Sabin limit.ping. Regular attack, copy, paste. Sabin attack.ping. And Sabin move. And now I just need his idle. There you are, idle. Copy, paste. Sabin idle. Now we'll open up the animation creator, we'll get started. So one thing I know I need is Notepad to keep track of the resolutions. The other thing I definitely need is a calculator to do my math. And I would also like to see my images, if you don't mind. Where'd they go? We'll put them up here so they can see them too. There you go. Now you can see them, I can see them, we're all happy. Make you a little bigger, I guess. Do that. Okay, so load. We'll do his limit breaker first because you know it's going to be badass. Sabin limit open. So we have 3 columns and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows. 3 by 7. Oh, I guess I should load the freaking thing. Oh, I did load the thing. Sabin limit.ping. New. I'll call it limit. Save. I need to get the width and height of you. 609 by 924. 609 divided by 3 is 203. And 924 divided by 7, 132. So let's enter that info. Width of 203, height of 132, speed of 0.0, save. Oh shit, wrong button. Auto generate. Oh fuck. Oh god, what have I done? Oh man, it really took a shit on me. Don't do whatever I just did. 203, 132. I fucked something up, that's for damn sure. Auto generate. There we go. Alright, now remove 1. That one. There you go. Look at that shit. He's attacking. For your final output, are you going to use DOM or use Canvas? I've been using Canvas for my drawing. I think I'm still going to keep using Canvas. But I am not married to Canvas. So I will say that. It's just Canvas is what I'm more familiar with because I'm actually a C++ programmer. And so all the graphic shit I've done is with DirectX, OpenGL. And with that stuff, it's more similar to the Canvas coding. So Canvas is a lot more familiar to me versus the DOM, which is just fucking alien language to me. So I don't know what I'm doing with DOM. And I'm also really terrible at CSS, so moving shit via CSS is a nightmare. That's fucking beautiful. Alright, file, save. Sabin limit. His limit breaker doesn't look that good though, actually. Kind of disappointed by that. Save the JSON. New. Next. Sabin attack. We have 3 columns by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 again. 3 by 7 again. Alright. The dimensions are way different though. 264 by 1092. 264 divided by 3 is 88, so he's a lot thinner. 1092 divided by 7, 156. Alright. So 88 by 156. Starting at 0, 0. Speed of... Oh, you know what helps? Making the animation for the frames. There we go. 3 by 7, 8056. Starting at 0, 0. At a speed of 0.1. Bam. Cool. Now I have to remove 1 frame. There we go. Fucking awesome. Oh, I'll update the name. Sabin attack. Don't yell. Next. Only one left, his idle animation. Animation 207 by 146. Did the math in my head. Hope it's right. Sabin idle. Sabin idle. New. Idle. Oh god. Dial. Idle. Slow down. 15. Oh, you know what helps? Saying 3 columns, 2 rows. 69 by 73. Speed of 15. Generate and then remove 2. There you go. I don't know, that might be a little fast for him. He feels more like he's dancing with that speed. So I might slow him down. Let's see. Take 0.2 of a second between frames because a little ridiculous. Less dancing, more Sabin fighting. There we go. That's a little better. Maybe 2.5. Let's see if that works. I need a button that lets you apply speed to all frames instead of this manual shit I'm doing. I might add that. Yeah, I think that's perfect. I think 0.25 is perfect. He's ready to fuck y'all up. Awesome, beautiful. File, save, binary. Sabin idle. File, save, JSON. Sabin idle. Bam. Oh, look at that. It's an FF6 background. Isn't that sexy? Alright, let's take all these files that I generated. Sorry, I'm picky. There we go. Make me a new one. Sabin.js. Put his ass right there. Alright, open. Close anything about Edgar. Open anything about Sabin. Bam, bam, bam. Alright, take his idle code. Paste. Take his attack code. Paste. Take his limit code. Paste. Save. Now instead of Edgar, let's try out Sabin. Idle. Limit breaker. I gotta fix the input problem. That's so annoying. Which one am I missing? Regular attack. My fingers aren't fast enough. There we go. Fuck you. That's it. You've pressed my button for the last time. Alright, what's going on here? Basically, every frame I need to update that old shit. Because you're being a nightmare. Nightmarish dick. Where can I steal that from? I've done that before in my Defender code, I think. That's where we'll steal it, because I ain't doing that shit. The limit looked like a frame was missing? Alright, give me a second. I gotta fix an annoyance that's really just hitting me right where I'm most annoyed, you know? Just you know, this is how you get cancers if you suppress these kind of things. There we go. There's the first thing I'm missing. My init function should probably clear. Okay, that's the first problem. Now the second problem is every frame you need to be fixing that. Otherwise, you get what I'm getting right now, and oh my god. I'm just ready to stab it, man. I don't want me stabbing shit. I've been told too many times I stab too much, too often, for too little. It's like, I cannot help it, dude. Sometimes I just want to stab. That should be it. Why is it? Is it really that easy? No, you're missing something. Look for right. Where is this? That's in the init. Okay. Oh, Jesus. Ofex scared the shit out of me, but thank you for following, Ofex. How you doing? Oh. I was like, oh, Jesus! That Lufia too, man. I guess I got it all. I should be good now. We'll see. File, save. No, I will not buy your software. I will just use it forever. Because I'm a jerk. Oh, there it was. Finally. Oh. Huh. I can't tell if it's missing a frame or if it's just restarting, you know? I see what you mean, though. Right when he's doing his jump back, he disappears. Yeah, I see it. I definitely see it. It's beautiful, though. Same with that one. We'll check those out. Alright, you can minimize. Open up his limit breaker. How many frames? 1, 2, 3. Shh, I can't see that. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 3 is 21, and then minus 1. So it should have 20 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. There it is. You're absolutely right. Fixed it. Thank you for pointing that out. I probably did the exact same thing on the other one. Yeah, what I had the auto-generate, it auto-generated, but it doesn't account for that last row if it's missing one on the last row. So that was a problem. Let's go ahead and check out the other one as well. Sabin attack. I hope I fixed the name on the last one. Alright, so we have 3 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I probably did the exact same thing again. There should be 20 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. There it is. Bye-bye. Fixed it. You wouldn't believe the crazy work I'm doing manually. Do you work on any multiplayer games and or know where to get info about WebSocket Secure? No, the only multiplayer stuff I've ever done has been on like C++ or C#. But I don't think I've ever done anything with WebSocket stuff like that. I'm trying to think. What are you working on? You're working on something big, aren't you? Now, like the most advanced thing I've ever done with networking is probably network Pong or network what was the other thing I did? Network tic-tac-toe. The tic-tac-toe is easy though. We would just establish a connection, send a number, and then close the connection. So there was no continuous shit there. But the Pong, I don't remember what we did for shit. Let me see if I still got my Pong code. Let's see. And it was in C#. I don't know if that matters, but still. Code. School. Nope. School code. Networking. ripping an old MMORPG and fixing it to run in a web browser. That's good, at least, that you can use math to fix it. J-Chat. God. Got a program that crashed so hard I can't even close it. Meatball tennis. There it is. Tell me it works. Server client. Then, alright, what language did we do this in? Looks like it was C#, right? Well, this stuff does not open well. Yeah, Jesus. Well, I got code. Can't prove it to you, but I got code. Open up the thing. Oh, it's C++. Wow, I don't remember that. Yeah, that shit did not work for shit. I'll be right back, guys. I need a drink. Alright. Sorry about that. Let's see. So I just fixed those things, but I haven't combined them yet. idle wasn't broken. But you can't trust. There. Try this shit again. Oh god. It just made it infinitely worse. Resource not found. Well, that means once again, fuck shit up. At least that should be easy to spot right at the beginning. Yep, motherfucker. Ah, stop getting lazy. It's always the little things that trip you up, you know? Never a big thing. Try that again. Still looks like he disappears. To me. But I can't tell if it's because... I will look. Look at the code. Limit breaker, go to the end. 792, 792, and there shouldn't be another. And there is another. So yeah, once again. Why are you ignoring me? I thought I deleted you. I feel like it ignored me there. Alright, so let's look at this one. 936, 936, 936. Okay, fuck me then, I guess. This is International Ignore Bruce Day. That's bizarre, because I could have swore I just fixed this. Maybe it didn't oh no, don't tell me it did what I think it did. Did you save without the extension? No, you saved over. So what's your problem? You just don't like me, do you? There. Yeah, just ignored my save for some reason. So, you saved the JS, but I didn't copy. I definitely thought I did. Alright, whatever. It's fixed. Yeah, much better. I love this shit. Alright. One more. I'm gonna do Celeste, because I like Celeste. If you don't like Celeste, then you didn't play the same FF6 that I did. Something's wrong with you. Seek help. Alright, so we are gonna need her attack, which looks nice. We're gonna need her limit breaker, which is big but looks nice. And we're gonna need her idle and her move. So let's just copy all of those. Copy, paste. Let's rename them. Celeste move, Celeste attack, Celeste idle, Celeste limit. Boom. Let's put them where they belong, and because I'm OCD, let's put them in the right order. Idle goes first, then attack, then limit breaker, and then movement. Alright, open up our animation tool. I know you guys love this. Let's open up Notepad to keep track of the dimensions. Open up calculator for the little math I gotta do. Let's figure out the size of her idle animation first. Yeah, it's called FF3. Yeah, that's the one. FF3 in America on the SNES. Okay, so the width of this is 183 by 142. The columns are 3 calls, 2 rows, which means 183 divided by 3 is 61 by 71. There we go. Load an image. Celeste idle. Fix the fucking name. New one called idle. Ten minutes turned into 20, it's turned into 30. Welcome back, Asia. How was your nap? 261 by 71. We'll do 15. Save. What the, oh, I've hit the wrong fucking button. How many times have I done that? 15, 3 by 2, 61 by 71. Auto generate. There she is. And that's right. Gotta delete the. How many? It looks like 2. Delete 2 of them. There you go. It's Celeste, and she's idle. Oh. Once again, I think she might be idling too fast as well. We'll slow it down. Maybe a little too slow. Speed it up just a tiny bit. Boom, perfect. There's Celeste, the idol. Alright, so file, save as binary, Celeste idle. File, save as JSON, Celeste idle. Bam. New. Alright, let's start the next one. Next one is her attack. Let's take a look at it real quick. So we have 3 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. 3 columns, 5 rows. And we're gonna minus 2 images when it's done. Alright. The dimensions of the image are what? 423 by 490. So let's figure out what that means. 423 divided by 3 is 141. 490 divided by 5 is 98. Let's load up the image. Correct the name. Name the animation attack. 3 columns, 5 rows. 141 by 98 at 1. Ready, set, generate. Oh yeah, and then we got a minus 2. Look at that shit. Slash. File save. So let's attack. That Celeste, when I was a kid, Celeste was my first dream girl. She's beautiful. Definitely love her. Alright, let's move on to Limit Breaker. We're gonna need to write down the dimension details here. It's 486 by 1572. We have 3 columns as always, but how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 rows? 12 rows. 3 by 12. And yes, Asia. Oh yes. 1,000 times yes. They had an old picture of her. Where is it? There it is. That That was one of her oldest pictures, one of the concept arts of her. No, that's, and that one too. She was awesome. Who doesn't love Celeste? Alright, so let's see. 486 divided by 3 is 162. 1572 divided by 12 is 131. Load Celeste limit. Fix her name. Celeste limit breaker. New animation called limit. Save. Speed, we'll do 10 again. Width is 162. Height is 131. 3 columns and 12 freaking rows. I should be ready to auto generate. That's fucking awesome. Alright, cool. File. Save. Binary. Celeste limit. File. Save. Celeste limit. Close. 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 Put all these files where they belong. So, backup. 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 Idle. Attack. Limit. New one. Celeste.js. Boom. I've almost got my party made. After that, I'll start coding JavaScript, an actual object for them to start putting behavior into it. That'll be cool. Open, open, open. Give me the idle. Control A, Control C. Paste. Next, next. Give me the attack. Control A, Control C. Paste. Limit. Control A, Control C. Paste. File, save. Go to the page and let's put Celeste on the page. There she is. That's her limit breaker. It's so hard to... I'm not fast enough. There we go. Alright, looks like it once again fucked up on my stupid thing again. It's really getting on my nerves. I'm clearly not paying attention, am I? Alright, help me out here. Attack. -2. Attack. 392, 392, and let me guess, 392. 2 of you bitches do not belong. Don't forget that comma. Oh God. There, fixed it. Thank you. Yes, thank you. Much better. Definitely gotta fix that better. There we go. I got a bunch of classes. Let's try to get some behavior out of them now. There's my party. I got Tara, I got Edgar, I got Savin, I got Celeste. I need to recheck Tara, I think. I'm not sure I got everything about her 100% correct here. So let's open up this code here. I already have it in Sublime. I closed Sublime. Alright, so down at the bottom, instead of Celeste, we'll do Tara. Just make sure it's there. Why do you keep opening on the wrong fucking monitor? Okay, that's way wrong. It's all good. I think I need to do Terra with my generator as well, because I made the speeds way too slow for her, first of all. And second of all, something clearly happened to that. It's only showing half. Oh, wait, no. I'm an idiot. I know what this is. That's the canvas fucking with me. Yep, that was the canvas. Never mind. So attack is good. But I might redo regular attack. Regular attack feels kind of slow to me. I guess idle's okay. No, I'll probably redo idle as well. It's just too fucking slow. I'm sorry. So yeah, let's get rid of these two. Alright, animation. Load Terra idle. Alright, let's get notepad. We know the drill. Let's get calculator. Let's get the image dimensions. 153 by 210. 153 divided by 3. 51. 210 divided by 3 is 70? Yeah, 70. Fix the fucking name. Alright, so 51 by 70. Freaking, 3 columns, 3 rows. Let's try 15. Generate. Delete that extra one. Slow it down a little. In fact, it's easier just to I think that's good. File, save. And now I don't trust you, so I'm gonna watch this shit. Terra idle dot anim. Yes. Yes. File, save, JSON. Terra idle. Save. Terra idle, bam. Open it up, copy everything in it. Open up Terra. Oh, you fucking moron. I meant the JSON. Replace this idle. Looks right. Just my OCD. Now let's redo attack. Alright, so attack. Let's get the dimensions before I even bother. What the? Notepad. 534 by 340. I'm gonna guess that there's 3 columns. There's always 3 columns. That would be 178. Now how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. 340 divided by 5, 68. With -2 at the end. Alright, so open up the old creator. Load the image. Rename the picture. New animation, called attack. Alright, put in the info. 3 columns, 5 rows of 178 by 68 height. Speed of 0.1. Auto generate -2. There we go. That looks right. Are there any specific reasons for the array structure you're using? Is it predefined array, other, or something you made up? I was trying to do JSON with it. Does that answer your question? I wanted my I wanted all my animations to be called into that load function as JSON. But the reason was because I was supposed to have sprite sheets that might have multiple animations. So like this, you see animation lists and there's just one thing, attack. But if I had a sprite sheet that had several stuff, I could add, okay, here's the walking one, walk animation, save. And then I could, you know, spell out all the frames of the walk here, etc. But the problem is, the way they do their sprite sheets on that website is they do one sprite sheet per animation. So I have to create different files for each sprite sheet. And so I might eventually either combine the sprite sheets, or I might what? I might combine the JSON, I don't know. If I combine the JSON though, it's gonna be a disaster to do. Did I save this? I don't think I saved it yet. Don't shout. Yes. There we go. So I think I fixed Tara. I think she's good now, but we'll find out. Now make sure that it actually did what I asked. Go to the end. So I'm noticing a pattern with this not deleting shit. 2044, 2044. So it didn't do what I asked. Even though something bizarre is happening here. I'm thinking my delete button isn't actually deleting the generated stuff very well. Does that mean my idle's fucked up as well? Probably. $140, $140. That's actually right. Okay. Idle. I've been everything I've been doing has been my own code. So that's my program. I fell for this again. That's much better. Alright, I got my party. Now I get to put them into JavaScript as a class, I guess. Called a character. A character expects an animation file and 4 pictures. How I'm gonna do this though? Oh god. That's the challenge, isn't it? I just want to kind of sit back for a second, drink some water. So that was kind of fun and at the same time tough. And you know what goes good with water, guys? Boys and girls, I'll tell you what goes good with water. A soda. So now I got water in one hand, soda in the other hand. I'm fucking dual wielding beverages. So it's like, oh, I need a fizzy boost. Ah, much better. Got my fizzy boost. Nope, nope. Now I feel dehydrated. Hold on. Got me my water. You see how that works? See, that's how you think. You got to use your head. You gotta think, oh, I'm getting dehydrated. Water. Oh, now it's time for a fizzy drink. Oh yeah. Okay. Sorry about that. Alright, so here we go. 4 freaking characters. Hello, Adrian. How you doing? I'm just thinking about all the shit I'm about to have to code. I'll probably make a whole other file for this. This is gonna be tough, let me tell you. Let's just make new file. This will be a JS file. Syntax. JavaScript, if you're not on there already. Let's give him a name, maybe? Do I really need a name? Sure. Got nothing but a start. Alright, so what are things a character does? A character will do the idle animation and then randomly attack every now and then. But I don't want the character being the one who does that. I want like a puppet master who controls all the characters to do that. So you're just going to respond to functions then. You're going to play your idle animation. You're going to play what? This is very tough to figure out how I'm going to do this. So oh, Jesus. Eva Vactress29 is now following. Thank you for following. It's always appreciated. Alright, she is going to... She needs a render function. Give me the context. Is that how this works? Maybe not. Man, this is not going to be easy. I got it in my head how I want it to work. This is what I want. I'll show you what I want. At least I'll try to show you what I want. Alright, first thing I want is for this fucking brightness to go away. That's hurting my eyes. Alright, so that's the first thing I wanted. Second thing I want is to show you what the hell I'm trying to do. So I want to have Tara standing here, Edgar standing here, Sabin standing here, Celeste standing here, and Kifka standing here. And they're all playing their idle animation. Then I will randomly pick one of these people, randomly pick one of them, to do either an attack or a limit breaker. So first we randomly pick, so let's say it picks Tara. So now that I have Terra, I'm going to randomly pick, do I do an attack or do I do a limit breaker? So she will switch from her idle animation. She will move, and that's one of the other steps. She will move towards Kifka, stop in front of him, and then either do the attack animation or the limit breaker animation. Then she will go back and resume being idle. Then it will be someone else's turn. Now with these four, when it's their turn, they go to Kifka and they do his, their random attack. When it's Kifka's turn, he goes to one of them randomly and does his attack. You got a job in Minecraft as a builder? Congrats, dude. So I figure for this part, I need a master class that controls them all. The puppet master. That's what I'm gonna call it, the puppet master class. But I still need to be able to have functions on each of these guys that make them easier to use. So one function that I think would be good if they could use would be like move. If I could tell them move to XY, they will switch their animation to the move animation, they will move to XY, and that would be nice. That would be something. Play Dark Souls, I dare you, 10,000 bits. There is no way I'm playing Dark Souls. I've seen my friend play all three of them, and no thank you to that. That's too hard for me. I couldn't even beat Undertale on Genocide, so... So one thing, I should make functions called do attack, do limit, or I could just call it do animation. Do animation, and you give it a string, attack, idle, or limit. And then a function called move, which will move to the XY, and they'll also have to keep in mind their offset. You could offer me 10 quintillion bits, there's no way I'm gonna do it. Money does not work on me. So yeah, basically I need play animation and I need move. Those are two functions that I need. So let's do that. Play and this move. And move will take an X and a Y. And my characters will need offsets. The offset depends on their thing though. Shit. Variable parameters. I really didn't need the name parameter that I gave it. Alright, so one thing I don't like is one of the problems I keep coming back to is the animations have a wide variety of offsets. So the idle animation might not have a big offset, but Terra's freaking attack limit breaker offset has a massive offset. Like she shoots like 8 miles out. And then her regular attack, not so, or even further, I guess, I don't know. It might not matter, we'll find out. Either way, it's a problem. I'll deal with it when I get there. I'm not there yet, let's just go with that. I'm not there yet, but I will be. I need a vector class. I don't have one. Perfect time for it. Yeah, you can spoil. I'm gonna guess it's Sans though. had to guess. You have a position. You're gonna need a vector. I definitely need a vector. Do I have that? Vector.js. Can you include a JavaScript file in a JavaScript file? JavaScript, include JavaScript. So I need access to a JavaScript file, and I need it in this file. I don't just want to paste the contents, you know? Alright, here's what I'm saying. I have a file called vector.js, and it has this vector function, which is really, it's a constructor that makes vectors. And I would really like to have access to it right here, really. This position equals a new vector. That would be beautiful. But I don't know how to have it here. So that's a problem I've run into. So I'm trying to Google it right now. I'm looking at Stack Overflow. I'll put it there. Load it via the DOM. Okay. Load JS inside JS. I'm tired of looking at that one. Are you looking to include the JS as a library, or want to live load a variable named JS? I would like to use it like a library, I think. Some sort of module shit. Import script type module. And in my main HTML, like this is how I load my animations. I say source equals animation.js. Oh, yeah. Stupid Twitch thing, I'm sure, blocks shit. I don't even know if you guys can see that now that I think about it. So this is how I'm including my animation. I got script source. Okay. Does it hurt if I load my vector.js file in here? I'm guessing I can't do it in here, right? I have to do it in the main. And then I just have to trust that by loading character, it will work. We'll see. Vector.js, so there's vector.js. And then this character, he'll be loaded in as well. I just want to be able to say a new vector. Okay. Thank you for the advice. Push. And then there's draw sprite, then I give it the animation. So you need to keep track of your animation. In order to do that, oh, there's no such thing as ints. Loading it in the DOM or evaluating it from Ajax call. Yeah, I'll figure it out. Or I'll get my ass kicked one way or the other. Shit will get figured out. Alright, do I want to have a set position? There's so much to figure out. But I will figure it out. Update function that takes the delta time. Watch a video on the Sans fight on YouTube. You'll see how intense it gets. Yeah, oh, I'm sure. I can't imagine. It's just Undyne got ridiculous. Like, I couldn't beat Undyne. It's like, alright, I guess I'm done here. Definitely got way tough. Let's just start simple. So here's simple. File, save as. Look at all the shit on my desktop. I made all of these files. All of these files on my desktop I made today. I made all of this today. Well, not those, but all of these and all of these today. Holy shit. My God. All right. Alright, so we're gonna try to use this page, but we're gonna fix some of this shit. We're fixing the keyboard shit. I can't take it no more. Alright, so key down. If I don't like any of this old logic. I'm probably gonna tear out all of this old logic. Let's just ignore that logic and write my own. So if prev which means I don't need a previous press, do I? No, I don't. I'm fixing this keyboard shit. That was driving me insane. So like all of this logic, just trying to fix a broken thing. I will take the log though. The log will come in handy. So I think now one thing I need to do is every frame I have to clear the old or the new, and then I have to back up the old one. Alright, so let's do that. Update. Sorry guys, I always get distracted by shit. So yeah, into this frame. Alright, so prev down. I don't need previous press. I don't need it. This isn't going to work the way I think it's going to work because JavaScript does references. So when I'm doing this assignment, it's not setting. It's making previous down the same thing as down keys, and that's not my intended thing. So hold on. You always got to watch for weird fucking differences between the languages. And that would have been one that would have fucked me. I don't know if that's an array function. JavaScript array clear. How do I empty an array in JavaScript? Well, that's fucking hilarious. Just do this. Okay, I can do that. That should fix that. So when the next frame starts, previous down will be set to that. Oh, you're not done though. Then after this, there. Welcome back. So yeah, really that's perfect. That's perfect. I don't care if it was held up last frame. See if that solved my issue that I was having. Alright, saved. Yay! See how I didn't have to struggle with the keys? I only want to switch one. Fucking works. Wait, what if I hold though? Alright, that's fine. Because I'm checking key down, right? I'm not checking key press, right? Oh, I am. Okay, so I'm doing something wrong still. Figure out what I did wrong. Alright, so update. Really getting confused by my up and down scrolling. I need to stop that. Alright, so you. Key is down. Because I wiped this, that's why. Well, I'm supposed to wipe it because only it's pressed. Down keys is true. Oh, I'm doing something wrong. If the key wasn't down last frame, then it's being pressed. The key is also down this frame, because when you press it, you're also downing it. So it keeps firing this event over and over. Key, I'm checking what I assume is the last frame, but it's probably not the last frame with this goddamn thing. So inside my update, I say for every key, I think this is fucking me, which is really tragic. I honestly think this is just a weird JavaScript thing. Let's find out. Set a breakpoint right on that fucking line. I'm not in the right file. No, I'm not. Yeah, I don't think this wipe is working the way I think it does. Alright, so I'm in. Alright, I want to see this. Show me down keys. Where the fuck's clear? There, thank you. Bunch of falses, as I would expect. But I also expect to see a true somewhere in there. Jesus, don't make me look. True, okay. So, yeah, I'm not gonna watch all of that. When this is over, when I hit this breakpoint, now down key sub 80 should be false, but prev down sub 80 should be true. And it is. Alright, so it is working the way I thought. So what am I doing wrong? It's definitely the new question. Shit. Time to console.log the fuck out of this. Updating. Also back with a glass of water. What are you working on now? I'm trying to get the input to stop being annoying. And I kind of succeeded, but at the same time it's still not working the way I expected it to. So what is going on here? Down. Save. Oh, there it is. Press, press, press. Why? What happened there? So, press down, updating previously. Up. Press. I'm holding it down for like 80 frames. And then it sent me... What is going on? Alright, so I press the key down, I let go of it right here, so it gets cleared. I press the key down, I'm holding it. I'm not letting it go at all. And yet it still sent the press event again. And that baffles me. So I'm just holding it down the whole time. Press, 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 until finally I actually do let go way down the list and it catches it and says release. So yeah, there's definitely some unexpected behavior here. Need to trap, state not the press. What the hell does that mean? So here's my reacting to key down event. If the this is prev down, down key, and press keys are an array. It's an array of 256. And basically each slot in the array is a key. So if this key was not previously pressed down, if the previous frame was false, it's being pressed. I will figure this out. Somehow it's getting through the cracks. Oh, I know what it is. I know what it is. I know what it is. I think. I know what it is. Yes, I know what it is. I know exactly what it is. I know what it is. I cannot. Hold on, guys. I gotta focus. That's what it is. Guarantee I can fix it now. Thank you for the bits, Kalish. How you doing? Guarantee I just fixed it. Guarantee I just fixed it. Maybe. Nope, I might have made it a lot worse, actually. Might have made it a lot worse, come to think of it. So, actually, comment that out. Recognize. That's why I had that old code there. That's why I had this. That's why I had that old code there. Guarantee I just fucking fix that shit. Or you broke it entirely. That's cool. Fuck. I don't know, man. I'm running out of patience for this shit. was previously not down, and it's not down right now. Then it's being pressed. Miss my after stream cuddle buddy, but I'll get used to it. Yeah, I'm sorry to hear about that, dude. Hey Adrian, yes, I know you want to play Minecraft, but I can't get my Minecraft server to work with people. I tried having a Minecraft server a few days ago and nobody could fucking ping it. It's driving me insane because I had the same server with the same settings before and I had everybody able to join, but now it's like, nope. And no, nothing changed on my end. That's the crazy part. That's what really pissed me right off. Oh. Am I histing? What does that mean? I have a Comcast box. And I have... Oh, hosting. Am I host? Yeah, I was hosting on my PC. And I do have a router. And I had all the settings... I had as much as I could customize to be just no fucking firewall, no fucking firewall, no fucking fire. To be honest, I think my friends were gaslighting me. I think it was their settings, not me. But whatever. Yeah, I had port forwarding. I had all that shit. That was what was driving me nuts. What was it? Hold on. I completed today's question. I didn't even get a question. I gotta remember the password on this thing. Alright, hold on. I think it was... that? Alright. See what I mean? Oh, you saw my wireless passwords. Oh well. Let's look at firewalls, port forwarding, all that shit. Firewall, IPv4, custom, which is nothing. But even if I go to minimum, so I have it on custom and I have nothing checked. Oh, actually, there we go. Disable the whole damn thing. Hell yeah, I'm sure. Same with IPv6, custom, disable the whole thing. I mean, I had it all turned off. Let's see, port forwarding, that was down here. See, port forwarding. Oh, that's right, now they make you do it through the fucking phone. That's so stupid. I mean, I had everything. DMZ. Is this thing gonna go or what? DMZ. It's taking forever. Alright, enable. So what do you want me to do? My IP address, I'm guessing? Which I don't actually know. Alright, my IP. Oh, fuck. Oh, man, you're gonna make me put in my IPv6? Do I need to put in the IPv6? Oh my god. Alright, hold on. Am I about to switch this from a code to a frickin' Minecraft stream? Let's see. I had a bat, yeah. Come on. There we go. Launching. Loading. Alright, let me get someone my public IP address and see if it works for y'all. First, let's obviously make sure it works for me. If it don't work for me, it's definitely not going to work for you. Alright, I'll put my public IP in the chat in just a second. What the fuck? That was weird. Got any resources for learning vanilla JS? Do you mean just regular JavaScript, not like an API called vanilla, I hope? I work as a junior full stack dev who just got hired out of an internship, but I'm barely competent at HTML, CSS, and JS. I use jQuery, PHP, and MySQL, WordPress. Would really like to get my JS skills further developed. It's just been tough learning so many languages at once. Yeah, that's very true. It should be the latest version, Juban. Let's see. What would I do? I've never had to... I don't know if I have any resources for you, Shan. Juban, do you know any place someone can go to learn JavaScript? Because my recommendation would probably be just YouTube tutorial videos. Or, let's see, the Mozilla MDN. Let me see. Mozilla JavaScript. Yeah, MDN. Do you have tutorial? There we go. So I'm going to post this link for you. So right here is one. That is the Mozilla MDN. They have basically all the standards written, but right on the link that I posted on the main page is a tutorial for beginners. So I would definitely recommend that. YouTube videos would obviously be one thing. What do you mean? What's taking this so long? Oh, you know what? I didn't check my firewalls either. Firewall. Fucking hate Windows Defender. Firewall. Off, 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 off. It's all off. Why can't you see that? Oh, it worked, even though I can't see myself. Alright, so let me get you my public IP address. Yeah, another thing, Shan, let me post my... Yeah, don't forget all these links they're posting. Free Code Camp, codewars.com. But I'll give you my Discord. Feel free to join. If you have questions, you can hit me up. Actually, I'll give you my Discord name. That's probably the best thing. So my Discord name is... I don't know if you even use Discord. What's the number, though? Where's my fucking number? What the fuck? How do I get my number? Are you kidding me? Are you gonna make it that hard? You're gonna make it that hard. You're gonna make it that fucking hard. Thank you. Got it. Jesus. 5270. So that's my Discord username. If you have JavaScript questions, you can feel free to hit me up on there. So let's see. You need my public IP address, ipchicken.com. There it is, bro. I'll paste it in the... And we'll see if someone can join. If so, I'll switch this over to a Minecraft stream. And I'm gonna freaking message Asia as well. Tell her, get her ass on here. I need food, though. That's the downside. So, you guys might be playing on your server by yourself. What's the name? What do you mean, what's the name? You can name it anything you want, Kalish. It's the IP. The IP is the only... Oh, and the port. The port is the default, which should be 25565, I think. Yeah, server name is whatever you want to name it. But the IP address, that's what matters. And I'll get the exact version number here that I'm on. So I'm on Minecraft version 1.13.2. Which, as far as I know, is the latest. I could be wrong, of course. believe y'all are more excited for Minecraft than you are my code. Don't you understand? The code is beautiful. Oh, also, I just realized I have code tutoring in about an hour and a half, so I definitely can't be streaming very long today. Well, Juban got in. Kalish got in. Congrats. Looks like it works. Yep. Yeah, you're right. DMZ was a fuck ton easier. Thank you. But, I won't be able to stream very long today. In fact, I'm kind of reaching the end of my stream now, which means I'm gonna have to disappear on you guys. I will leave the server on, though, if you want. You're welcome to play. Yeah. There, just making sure. I don't know if y'all are still listening to the stream. That's kind of bummer. I mean, I'm glad that it works now. That was so much easier. Thank you for that DMZ advice. Yeah. I'll leave it on. So Adrian, you want to play Minecraft? It's up there now. Though, like I said, I gotta end this stream. So how many over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and bam. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What's he saying? Bam. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alright, it's working. Well, I'm glad it's working. It's all set to default. 3. Fucking gravel. I would find one spot with gravel, wouldn't I? Mob griefing is on. It's gonna make the world area ugly with creeper holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a blank. Figure out if this is where I'm gonna stay or if I'm keep traveling here. I didn't expect Minecraft to work. I need to send a message to Asia. But yeah, I'm sorry, I can't stay very long, guys. Soon I gotta go. Tire 3 chunks. Jesus. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Soundtrack sounds familiar. It's Dominions 5, PC game on Steam. I like it a lot, strategy. But I play it on just about everything I stream now. It's good, relaxing music. Rob, can you tell Asia that the Minecraft server is working now? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm sure she'll love that. 2, 3. Aw. I'm sure that'll make her happy. I can give her the IP address if she still doesn't, if she didn't have it anymore. I know it's been a while. Alright, so it all connected. I just gotta figure out if I want to actually live here or what. Probably not. Alright, I'm gonna leave the server up for you guys, but I gotta end the stream because soon I gotta hop in the shower. I gotta get food. I gotta get ready for my code tutoring. I tutor C++ on Wednesdays and Sunday evenings for 3 hours, so I'm gonna be gone. I won't be back till like after 9 p.m. Eastern time. So, but like I said, I'll just leave the server on all the time, as long as nobody's an asshole. That is one rule I have: no griefing. No griefing. It's my only fucking rule. Don't be an asshole. If you're an asshole, I will personally ban the shit out of you after I blow up whatever you've built. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. I'm sorry it changed from coding to Minecraft. It just spur of the moment thing. Other than that, you guys have a good evening.